is a convenient way of charging your devices, especially your mobile phones, because it is a very popular device in today's time. So you are going to see the Raegr Arc 400 wireless chargers today in this review video. So now let's first unbox this and then we'll talk about its features and specifications. The Raegr Arc 400 package contains one Qi wireless charger pad, one 3.3 feet Type-C cable, and one user manual and a warranty card. This Raegr Arc 400 Qi certified 10 watts wireless charger that can wirelessly charge your Qi enabled devices. It is made of ABS material which is fire resistant. This Raegr Arc 400 is slim in design with Type-C port. The matte finish surface and pads of the ultra thin wireless charger prevents it from slipping, and the LED indicator allows easy to check the charge status. This Raegr Arc 400 allows you to charge through case, as ultra thin wireless phone charger can charge your phone with a plastic or rubber case on it under 6 mm thickness. It is compatible with all Qi enabled phones, AirPods, Galaxy Buds and other wireless enabled buds, and is easy to take with you when you go out or you are going on traveling. The Raegr also offers 1 year replacement warranty against the manufacturing defects. So if you wanted to activate additional 1 year warranty, then follow the instruction provided on the manual guideline and the leaflet. So this is it for now. We avail a special discount link in the description box just for you, just in case you love to check out one for yourself. So if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do subscribe our YouTube channel. With this, tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload, because in the coming days we are going to bring some more gadget reviews and pieces of information like this. So this is Divya from Tegonity Studio. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.